So today, well, I got like an air horn yesterday, but today I just asked my friend to come up, and some of you that know me may know him, Cam. Well, anyway, but I told him to come up, and I'm hiding behind my side-by-side right now, and when he comes up, I'm going to scare the shit out of him with this air horn. And I'd like to give a shout out to the kid I'm gonna be scaring. I think this is his, the name of his YouTube channel is Cameron Crawley. And I'd like to give a shout out to Greg Kirkleski. Yep, FC Prod. But yeah, this might take a while for him to come up because usually it takes him a while, especially if he's taking a big ass dump and it smells really bad. Yeah, obviously, I don't know why I'm telling you guys this, but I'm trying to pass the time, hiding behind this, hoping he doesn't see me. My neighbors or the cars driving by probably thinking, what the hell is he doing? Oh, that's what they're doing. I couldn't think of anywhere else to hide, so hoping this is a good enough spot. And also, I may prank my sister because it sounds like the bus just came back. Or, yeah, came home, or whatever you want to call it. But, yeah, I'm gonna try to prank her also. Which could be like a killing two. No, not really. I'll just double points, let's call it that. I don't know, because these tires lift up the side by side a lot, so I don't know if you're gonna see me or not. Oh, they're so close. Come on. Are you kidding me? Just right there in the neighbor's yard. Are you kidding? Come on, hurry your ass up. I can't press this button. My God. It takes so long. Come on. Hurry your... He's coming.